Our kind of bird. Hit the ball far, Snuff. You can do it, yelled Big Bird. Big Bird, you always cheer for your friends, said Grover. You are very kind. Kind, asked Big Bird. What exactly do you mean by kind? Well, said Grover, kind means you're nice to someone when a friend's in need. Big Bird's always there indeed. You never forget the special day of a friend, said Grover. Surprise! Happy birthday, Ernie, cried Big Bird, and all the Sesame Street friends. You are very, very generous, said Grover. You always come to the rescue, said Grover, at least when a superhero is not available. Here, kitty, kitty, come to Big Bird. So you see, Big Bird, said Grover, you are always very kind in many different ways. Thank you, Grover, said Big Bird. I like being kind, because being kind makes me feel like a good friend. Our kind of bird.
Cue. The quiz show. Hello, everybody! It's Guy Smiley here, and welcome to the quiz show. Contestants, are you ready? Here is your first question. What is a container that often holds milk? Yes, Elmo? A quart? That is correct, Elmo. Here is the next question. What is a warm blanket that people put on their bed? Yes, Prairie Dawn? A quilt? That is correct, Prairie. Are you all quivering with excitement? Here is the next question. What sound does a duck make? Yes, Bert. Quack, quack. That is quite correct, Bert. Well, the score is now tied. Here is the last question. Ready? What coin is worth 25 cents? All three of you buzzed! Well, no point in quibbling over who was first. What is the answer, everyone? A quarter! That is absolutely right. We have a tie game. You all get the grand prize. Bring it out, Grover. Each one of you gets your very own quart of milk to quench your thirst, a quilt to keep you warm, a quacking duck for no reason whatsoever, and a cash prize of a shiny quarter.